Next question, Ismail from Nairobi, Kenya. If a person takes food in his or her mouth unintentionally but do not swallow it, does it break the fast? Even if a person takes food intentionally in his mouth and does not swallow it, the fast will not break. Let me give you a very good example. When we do wudu, we are taking water intentionally into our mouth, but we are not swallowing it. We are gargling and we are spitting it out. Does your fast break? And the answer is no. So if your fast doesn't break when you take water intentionally, similarly if you take food intentionally also, you should not unnecessarily. But if you take and you spit out, it doesn't break. For example, if a woman is cooking in the kitchen and she wants to know whether the salt is correct or not, she can easily take and put it in the tongue, because the taste buds on the tongue. You don't have to swallow the food. So if you taste it and spit it out, it doesn't break. Some people take very little, as a precaution. Good, no problem. But even if you take a lot and you put it in the mouth and spit it out, just like water when you take for wudu, it doesn't break. If you take even a lot of food, put it in the mouth and spit it out, it will not break. You should not unnecessarily do it. But if you are cooking food, take a little bit, taste it. You will come to know, because the taste buds are in the tongue. It is not in your throat. So after tasting, you can spit it out. Your fast is not broken and it is permissible. But let me answer something extra. If someone takes food or water unintentionally and swallows it, he forgets he's fasting, goes to the fridge, pours water in the glass, drinks it, or he doesn't remember he's fasting, he takes a sandwich and eats it, does the fast break? Our beloved Prophet ﷺ said, as mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, Hadith number 1933, that if a person unintentionally has food or water, let him continue keeping his fast till the end. And let him consider the food or the water he ate or drank, it is from Allah. That means, if by mistake, unintentionally you have food or water, you drink water, your fast doesn't break because it is unintentionally, and you think that it is from Allah, a blessing from Allah. But you cannot do it purposely. Okay, I'm unintentionally having, you cannot have unintentionally knowingly that you're fasting. So it should be purely out of unintention. And if you have, even in that condition, your fast doesn't break.